Today we're gonna install some exterior components on the van, the roof rack, side ladder, and AC unit. The roof rack is an essential upgrade since it allows people to mount so many useful items on top of the van, like solar panels, roof decks, side awnings, auxiliary LED lights, phone signal boosters, overland storage boxes, traction boards, and much more. We purchased both the roof rack and the side ladder from FVC, a company that specializes in building custom racks and ladders designed specifically for vans like the Springer, Transit, and ProMaster. They are definitely on the pricier side, but the quality and fit makes them worth the investment. On the roof of the van, there are several round caps that serve as dedicated mounting points for the roof rack. You just pry those caps off, then mount the brackets on. Then attach the roof rack securely onto the brackets. Next, connect the front and rear sections of the rack using the provided joining plate. Now the crossbars. Now it's time to install the side ladder. Start by fully assembling the ladder on the ground before mounting it to the van. Now install the ladder on the van. It's straightforward to mount the top part. For the bottom part, you've got to climb underneath the van and drill some holes. This is how it looks like after the roof rack and side ladders are done. It's very stable. Next up, I'm gonna show you how do we install the AC unit. For cooling, we choose the pneumatic 24 volts DC air conditioner. Having a true DC system is important for Vanlife because it runs directly from our 24 volts battery bank without needing an inverter, making it far more efficient and reliable when living off-grid. These are delivered parts: the AC unit itself, the panel inside the van, manual and remote controls, and a cardboard to help with the alignment. These are the tools and materials to install the AC unit. We also have to cut a strip of foam off, otherwise the unit doesn't fit. And we have to make so-called a trim ring to help to mount the AC unit securely on the van roof. Next up is to find a desired mounting place in the van. Here we try to mount it at the rear of the van, and we make the mark for alignment and drill holes. Then we use these holes to place the alignment cardboard. Time to make the cut. Cutting's done. We did a good job. Next up, we file the debris off of the cutting edge and apply some car enamels to prevent the rust. Then I applied Sikaflex, which is kind of glue, to glue the gasket on the car top. And don't forget to apply another layer of Sikaflex outside of the gasket to make the seal. Yay, it fits! Then we install the trim ring. And carefully tie the bolts. You don't want to make it very tight. This is it for now. We will install the interior panel later. We have performed the spray water test and it doesn't leak water at all. If you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.